Mac users can now run Windows seamlessly on their Mac without rebooting, thanks to exclusive Parallels desktop coupon codes. These codes offer up to 35% off subscriptions, Mac Win 30, Windows Mac, and full versions of Parallels Desktop. These exclusive coupons are designed to make running Windows apps on Mac faster, reliable, and optimized for Mac OS. Mac Windows gives you 30% off on full versions. Windows Mac 25 will give you 25% off on any edition of your choosing. WinMac 10 will give you 10% off for standard plans. PD New User will give 25% off for new users. Mac Win 30 will give 30% off for new users too. Desktop 15 for 50% off discount for upgrades. Parallels Deal for 20% off for bundles. Parallels VIP 20 for 20% off for annual subscriptions. And finally, Save on PD for 5 to 15% off discount on Parallels desktop promotions. To claim these deals, users can click on a direct link, choose their plan, and enter one of these codes. They're limited and won't last forever,